How's it going, girl? You good? You're looking good.
Thanks.
New car and stuff. What do you want to do today?
Skydive.
Skydive.
Yeah.
First time you're doing this?
It is.
Ever? Never did it before? Cool. What made you decide to do this?
I've always wanted to.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Scratch that one from the bucket list?
Yeah. Just fly through the air.
Yep. That's perfect. That's perfect. Right, so we're going to go up to 14,000 feet. Okay, girl? On the way back, we're going to fall 120 miles an hour.
Okay.
Speed up towards the ground. Parachute comes out around like 6,000 feet to save your life. Sounds good?
Awesome.
Perfect. You want to send a message back home? People are going to watch this later?
Love you, Mom. Peace out.
You like the view?
I love it.
Love it? Yeah, we still have halfway to go. Oh yeah, we're only halfway there. You got anything you want to say to your friends and family before we go? You look a little nervous.
Hey, bro. Hey, Mom. Hey, sis.
Yeah. I'll see you guys outside.
Yes!
Yeah, buddy, look at that. Rock
Woo!
next to it.
Perfect. 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 Perfect.
Go ahead, hop up.
All right, let me help you up.
Are you there?
Give me your hand.
Oh, my
I'll help you up. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Sorry.
All right. Do you want to walk
Step
this
on over
way?
those lines.
Sir?
You want to
Step
walk
over
this way?
towards him. Step over all these lines so we
There we
that way I can
go.
stand up. There we go.
All right, Lindy. Tell me a little bit about that experience, girl. Yeah? You liked it? Woo! What was your favorite part?
Well, I kind of got him to do a little spin in there.
Yeah, you liked that part? So would you do a second skydive?
Yeah.
Yeah? Here? Skydive Georgia?
Yep.
With Jake right there?
Yes.
Woo!
Love that guy.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you for sharing that with us.
Thank you.
You.